I've been using blackseed oil on my hair for over 30 days, and here are the results. But first, why even use it? Well, there are two things in blackseed oil that really make it special: Thymoquinone and Nigellone. These guys are super powerful when it comes to fighting inflammation and oxidation in your body. That means they can improve blood circulation to your scalp, fight the inflammation that can cause hair loss, and even strengthen the hair follicle itself. The result? Thicker, stronger hair and potentially less shedding. Now, I like to use blackseed oil in two different ways. Step number 1 is the hair mask. Twice a week, I'd mix a tablespoon of a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil with just 5 to 10 drops of blackseed oil. I know it seems like a lot of oil, but trust me, it's just right. This is the perfect consistency to massage it into your scalp. So I'd massage it deeply into my scalp for about 5 minutes, then I'd leave it on for at least 30 minutes. If you can leave it on longer, that's even better. And then I'd wash it out with a gentle hydrating shampoo. This directly nourishes the hair follicle and promotes healthy hair growth. Step number 2 is internal use. Every single morning, I took a teaspoon of blackseed oil. This works from the inside out to support overall health and reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can also help promote hair growth. So after 30 days, what did I find? First, the biggest change was less hair falling out in the shower, like literally half the amount of hair that used to fall out. My hair also felt noticeably stronger and looked shinier. Now I didn't see a massive forest of new growth, but I definitely saw fewer baby hairs around my hairline, which is a great sign. And I actually noticed that my hair felt thicker too. Look, it's not a magic potion, but it is a powerful natural treatment that's worth giving a try if you're struggling with hair loss or shedding. A quick but important warning: always do a patch test first. Blackseed oil is potent and can irritate some skins, so it's important to dilute it properly with a carrier oil and test it on a small area of skin before applying it topically or orally. Also, if you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication, please talk to your doctor before taking blackseed oil internally. I'm curious to hear from you. Have you tried blackseed oil for your hair? What was your experience? Tell me in the comments below. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more natural beauty secrets and healthy hair tips. And if you want to see how I take blackseed oil every day for energy, watch this video next. I'll see you there.